Before we start off today's video, if you guys would like to join my Discord server, link will be in the description and it will also be in the pinned comment. We've been stagnant once again, still 9 members, so if you'd like to join, then link will be in the description and that pinned comment. And if you could check out and subscribe to my reaction channel.
Build a ring of orbits.
Those are bloody lampshades, not bloody Dyson spheres.
Wirelessly transfer the energy back to the home planet. A type 2 is to build a bubble of satellites around the
That's
star.
a golf ball. That's a golf ball now.
Of the light, but not all of it. And a type 3 is to completely swallow the star with a solid shell of matter.
That's a disco ball.
100.
That would be great. It would mean absolutely a lot to me, and of course, this channel is not this car, but this channel as well. If you could subscribe to that, that would be great. But anyway, into the video. On today's video, I do a spin. I try to kick a bee, and I show off my booty. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This here, well, there's 4 things to note about this. Firstly, this is not a car review. B, it's not on Google Docs like I usually do. C, I have a car. I don't normally have one of these here, no, I don't. And you can see my face again, technically for the 3rd time, but this here, what is it? It is a Mini Hatch 1 R50. Now, even forgetting what it is, just the fact that I've got a car is great. I haven't had a car since that Volkswagen Golf video I did about 4 or 5 years ago, which ended up getting like 14,000 views. So it was killing me and I just got rid of it. But anyway, 4 or 5 years later, we are back, and we're back with this. I know I said it's not a review, but I'll give you some small specs. So 1.6 litre, 4-cylinder, 90 horsepower. Torque I don't know off the top of my head, I'll have to write it in the edit. 0 to 60, about 11.2 seconds, I think. Again, I have to put it in. Top speed I do know, 112 miles an hour. 5-speed manual gearbox, this is not the automatic. I think the automatics were CVTs, which you know how I feel about CVTs if you watch my hybrid videos. Yeah, you know, the Ignis, the Prius, yeah, you know how I feel about them. But anyway, what are we doing? So you see this, and then going back now, this, and all around the car. They're supposed to be black when they were new out the factory, but obviously the car is as old as me, give or take, by some months. So even though I'm fit, this car clearly isn't fit. So what am I going to do? Well, fix these cobwebs first of all, and then secondly, I'm going to put these to their black colour. Now, of course, oil and water don't go together. You know, you cook, you have oil and water, and then the oil splashes. Same with electricity, it doesn't like water. I think we have to put a bad word in for water, don't we? Obviously, it seems to be the enemy of everything. But, of course, being Britain, it is raining right now, it's actually spitting. So obviously, there you go, I made it black. There, video ended, bye. But no, seriously, you know, let's do it, you know, whatever gets me views. What also gets me subscribers. And also, what makes me, Jeremy Clarkson, famous. But anyway, let's go through a walk around and then let's get into it. Now, I've got this idea from Car Throttle from when they had a cheap Volvo that they had to buy and then sell.
These grey plastics, we're going to make them black again. We have some oil, some cooking oil.
Well, that car is obviously worth jack and I've got a car that's worth jack although I prefer this over the Volvo. So shout out to Car Throttle for giving me the idea, although they're probably not the first people to come up with it. So shout out to whoever is the first person to come up with it, whoever you are, thanks. But anyway, I have got some olive oil here, some cooking olive oil from Tesco. Tesco, please sponsor me, please, I beg of you. And then we've got a cloth, microfiber. Now it did rain for about 5-10 minutes, obviously you see some wet, but you know, the rest of it's fine, it's dried up. So obviously we don't do much. Right, so some oil on here somehow. Okay, like that. Put it there so I can't spill it, and then I wonder how long this will last. But wow, that looks amazing, that does. That does look good. That is a big wow from me. Wow. I mean, obviously there are bits where the paint has faded so they don't work properly. Like here, by the looks of it. But you know what? That looks good to me. But let's move on to that there. Okay. So, more olive oil. Right. Oh, look at that. Oh, black. We are being racist. Black. Oh, look at, oh my god, that looks so good. I mean, obviously there are scratches, but wow. I mean, even just for the thrill of looking at it for 2 seconds, you know, it's just amazing to see a transformation you can do with a car with home products. I mean, sure, it won't last long, but still, look at that. That looks much better than it was before, I got to say. Okay, now, moving on, let's move on to this side. Just a small note, I will do the side skirts like after. I just want to do the wheel arches first. So, oily hands. Right, let's see. Let's have the frill again. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, so good. And the back will also be done later. Bit of oil there, let's gather it. There we go. But look at that. That looks so much better. This is obviously how it came from the factory. But, you know what, let's do the side skirts now while we're on this side. So if I turn you over here, like that, majority of it anyway. Right. Oil. Look at that. Oh. I'm sure there's a lot of dust, but you know, never mind, it's being cleared now. Shut up, planes, please. But wowzers, that whole side. Maybe just fix the mirror slightly, but that just looks so much better. Wow. And there is B in shot. Hello, Bumblebee, the Transformer. Unfortunately, this car's not a Transformer. But that looks so good. Oh god. It wants the oil. Go away. Bugger off. That overall looks so much better. You know, from all the way over there to all the way over here. That looks so much better. I mean, compare it. Ignore that noise. Compare it. Oh, sunlight is out. Compare it to this. It looks shocking. But anyway, let's move on to this. And you can see me in the reflection. Hi, me. Oil once again. At least the sun's out, makes it, you know, a bit better quality. Here goes nothing. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. Oh. Wow. Amazing. I mean, obviously this thing is weak, but wow. And there's apparently a bit of tape. That's not tape, that's some, this has managed to mold itself somehow from the heat probably. But wowzers, that looks so good. Oh, that looks amazing, that does. Hope you can see, yeah, it looks decent in the camera. Looks really good, that does. Right, moving on to the off side of the car. Right, so oil, cloth, let's start. Is it just me or am I hearing insects? Right, I'm actually going to close it because bees are attracted to this. Right. There we go. So much better. There we go. Right, side skirts. My hands are very oily now, probably the oiliest hands I've ever been. Right. Oil. Right. Side skirts. There we go. Hashtag get your jeans dirty. That looks really good, that does. Miss the spot. You know, there's people, you miss the spot people. Yeah, those kind of people. I'm also one of them, very hypocritical. Right, that's done. Right, now we do this here. That is a huge cobweb. Sorry, spider, I killed your home. Right, here we go. There we go. Beautiful, and then obviously we do the wing mirror while we're here. But yeah, that looks really good, that does. Right, so there we go, much better. Excellento. Doing there. Do this. And I've got oil all over the car, but you know. And that is black. Without being racist. Right, now it's time to go to the front. Let's go. So, oil, oh great, all over my fingers. Go away, cobwebs. Ugh. You're probably wondering why am I not just moving over to do it. That is a good question. But voila, and that is black. Right, get this off me. And that is complete. What can I say? It looks so much better now, so let's go through a walk around and see, you know, what has changed. Obviously we've got that. We've done the sides as well, along with that wing mirror that's now proper black. All around here. We've done the back as well. Looks extraordinary. We've done here as well. And well, we are back at the front. And well, that is really good. I am really happy with that. What can I say? Ah, missed a few spots. Okay, so if you, if I just put the microphone between my legs here, put this on the ground, and then pour a bit of oil on it. There. Okay. There we go. Much better. I can't get in there, but it's the best we can do. There we go, that's black. And then round to the other side, where we don't need to add oil, but there we go. Very much brand spanking new. There, voila. And well, that is it. Yeah, that's it. I'm really happy with that. But yeah, that is really good. So what else can I say? I've really enjoyed doing that. If you do want me to review this car, then let me know in the comments. Even though it's old, I can happily do it. And make sure to subscribe, like, comment and share as usual, and I'll see you guys in next week's video. Peace.